Ladies and gentlemen, the weekend.
Used to be my spot many years ago. Make sure you're about an hour late so you avoid all the heavy traffic. Alright, so this year I decided to do calendars again. 2022. So these are numbered. See, there are only going to be 8 available. So if you want one, please hit me up on Instagram. That's the quickest way to reach me. So these are not that cheap to produce for me. Unfortunately, they are going to be a little expensive. So if you want one and you're located somewhere near Orange County, you can pick this up locally for me for about 35 bucks. So we can meet up at like any of like the Cars and Coffees or Sunday Steel, whatever I go to. If you need it shipped, I will charge you whatever the actual shipping cost is. And at this time in the lower 48 United States, I'm estimating it to be about $10. So just let me know on Instagram if you want one. If not, that's cool too. But yeah, we only have 8 for sale. I'm in the back seat of the 210, which is not very often. And we'll talk about that very soon. It's a little ugly in here. No visors, no dome light. That is not a 210 mirror. But we'll see very soon.